Okay guys, so today we are doing part 2. This will be questions 5 through 10 on your radioactive dating worksheet. Okay, so it should have started like this. When you open it up today, you need to move to the measurement tab. Alright, under probe type, we're going to select uranium-238. Okay, which is up here, probe type. Click uranium-238. And then objects, we are going to select rock, so change tree to rock. Okay. We are going to erupt the volcano and we'll let the simulation run until you reach 1 half-life. Okay, which would be right here. Then it's the questions that we're gonna ask, we'll get to that in a second. So let's put this over here. Oh no, this goes on the rock. Okay, erupt volcano. Here's the years here. Okay, we'll cool the rock. Okay, see it here. And we'll stop when it gets to 1 half-life. Okay, so first question, what percent of the original uranium remains? So look at how much is remaining here, percentage. How many years did it take? So over here, years, and then this is how much uranium is left. Okay, so notice we're using the uranium for the older rock. Now under probe type, we're going to switch to carbon-14. And we are going to choose tree instead of rock. Okay. We'll click on plant tree. We'll let the simulation run until we reach 1 half-life. Same thing, we'll answer the questions. Okay, so what percentage of carbon remains? That's going to be up here. How many years did it take? That's going to be down here. And that is pretty much it, which leads us to our last question. 10. Explain why uranium-238 is used to measure the age of rocks, while carbon-14 is used to measure the age of the tree trunk. So think about why would we use uranium for rock and carbon for a tree. Okay, and that's pretty much it today. If you want to move, I will say part 3 takes the longest. So if you want to go ahead and move on to that, you can. If you don't have access, I will make another video for part 3.